Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-38H Reverser Arm Latch Retraining Strap. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be creating part 1-38H Reverser Arm Latch Retaining Strap. Let's click on the template MMGS. Alright, so we want the top plane, sketch. We want to create two circles. We've got cylinder, or tube if you like. The outside diameter is going to be 6. And the inside is going to be 2.5. 2.5. The full. And that's going to be a total of 8 high. Extrude. Mid-plane. And 8. And done. Now, there is a piece going around that. Before we do that, I do want to do a fillet of 0.125. That one and that one. Okay. What? Doesn't change it. Ah. 0. I didn't realize it typed to 1. And we want that one there as well. Okay. There we go. That's better. That's better. Okay, so now we want the top again. So go, actually, we're going to go mid-plane, top plane as well. Actually, get out of that. Normal 2, there we go. Sketch. Yep. Now we want circle again, which is going to be, we want half circle. Yep, sketched. Oh, it's clicked on sketch. There we go. What this one? So one there. There we go. We just wiggle around till you get. Well, there's probably some pattern to it. So, okay. So, these 5 points will be vertical. Beautiful. Now, one's going to be 6, which is the same as that one, and one's going to be 7. Let's do. Actually, before we do, just so we don't get any confusion, just going to put these in. You like that then? There we go. Oh, any more lines? Go away. Thank you. Let me just. Right. That one's going to be parallel. Thank you. This line and this line will be vertical. Okay, that didn't work. Point, vertical. There we go. Now, that's good. Okay, so now, I just did that way. Find the line there, just try and look for it. Smart dimension. Inside one will be 6. Oh, sorry. That's radius. 6 diameter, but 3 radius. And that's going to be 4 radius. There we go. Now, this line here will be 14. Doesn't really show there, but I'm just worked it out. Because it goes on a part going up, and that was 8 mil, but it thickens down, and then you've got 3 mil there, so I just allow a little bit of leeway. Worst case scenario, when we put this together, if it's not quite right, we can always change it in this drawing here, which then gets adapted to the drawings later on, so that's fine. Okay, so now that's going to be the same thickness, which is 8. So we want to go extrude, mid-plane, 8. And okay, there we go. Got the groove there because technically it's 2 pieces. So, but I was going to build this 2 pieces. That's why I've done that around there to show that. Okay, so that's done. We just need some holes on this side. Let me normal that and sketch. We want 2 holes. One. Actually, hold on. Before we do. Back out. Let's go fillet. Gonna be 3. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. There we go, beautiful. Okay, go normal that one again, and sketch. Now I could have done that with a circle, putting these holes in. It might have made it a little bit easier too, but actually not really. But, so we've got 1 hole here, 1 hole there. They are 2.5, so 2.5. 2.5? Oh yeah, that's 2.5. This looks awfully big, but I think because it went off the screen. Okay, so now this is from top to there. Oh, come on. Thank you. That's going to be 2. Yeah, that's good. From that point to this point, it's going to be 4. And also 2 from that point to this point. This way, it's going to be 4. And from this end, oops, this end, I do want the radius. That one's going to be 3. There we go. Yeah, the hole's good. Just look bigger. I went well off the edge there, made it look bigger. And then that is feature, extrude, cut. Nope, wrong one. Through all and done. Done. Thank you. And there's that piece done. Good be. You've got the cylinder there with hole in, got the U shape, 2 holes in. That is done. Excellent. So that's that part done. First part 1-38H reverser arm latch retaining strap done. If you enjoyed that, click the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing and leave comments below. Thank you very much. And remember, thank you very much.